The higher ejection rate is caused mainly by an inability to service a loan. Many of the respondents at the regional offices of the housing bank think local authorities are too apprehensive about taking risks, and encourage them to relax their rather mechanical application of SEFO's normal subsistence tariff, which indeed the housing bank recommends in its guidelines. Funds for the housing allowance scheme were too low, according to our informants. Small municipalities find it difficult to comply with the housing bank's request to provide large housing grants to few applicants. In the opinion of some, the housing allowance has helped promoting home ownership among young disadvantaged adults. Many local authorities, according to two of the informants, failed to take into account whether startup loan applicants were eligible for housing allowance prior to their consideration of the startup loan applications. The view was relatively widespread that small municipalities have disconnected and uncoordinated social housing schemes, and inadequate interagency liaison. Agencies are seldom housed in the same building. Small municipalities also lack expertise for properly assessing startup loan applicants. What can be done to improve coordination between the startup loan, housing grant and housing allowance schemes to promote home ownership among low-income groups? As far as loans and credit ratings are concerned, a 30-year term could be justified. It would reduce the savings component of payment of housing expenses while leaving room to temporarily halt payments should the household go through a particularly difficult period. Many recipients of the startup loan will see their earnings grow with time, making it less onerous to repay the loan.